This Coldwell Banker Welcome Home Realty property video is presented by Mary Weller. Better than new on this 4-bedroom, 2-bath uniquely designed home. Open floor plan with 2 bedrooms, bath, open living room and kitchen design on main level. Lower level is finished with a family room, 2 more bedrooms and bath. The home was built with large windows, to bring in natural sunlight, vinyl siding and comes with appliances. Seller has added cabinet hardware, landscaped, added window blinds and insulated and sheetrocked garage walls. Home is neutral colors and is in move-in condition. For more information, review the details below or contact Mary Weller at 507-420-5435.